Greetings, everyone, and thank you all for coming back to Sunborn Creations, and thank you all for putting up with my little rant and my rage sometimes. But I thank you guys for continuing to subscribe to this channel as we grow stronger and stronger. And guys, anyone who's in YouTube land and you scrolling through and you see this video and it may be of interest to you, please come on in. You are welcome at all times. Just hit that share button and like. So that's what I have today is these Eva beads. This is going to be a quick one because I'm getting ready to head out to the park and sit in the sun a little bit and listen to some music and see if I could get some type of creative ideas with the pieces that I have. So we're going to do like a comparison with these Eva eye beads. Now these guys came from Amazon, and right now all I know, they said they made in China, and they really don't have, I don't have the name of the vendor that I got these from of Amazon, but apparently these are translucent Eva eye beads. So I don't know if these were made with resin and they just, put the white paint, then the black paint on top or not. But these are like flat rounds. And I wanted some flat round, Eva eyes so I could make some more of these beautiful Eva eye earrings. I got a lot of compliments on these when I went to the market this weekend. Oh yeah, my market, when I went, kind of really flopped. It really wasn't that great. So I'm like, okay, yeah, it's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful, but nobody really wanted to spend any money. I'm going to put it just like that. So no matter, what price, that you gave them. It's like money is tight right now, but we won't get into that. But I figure if people really, really, really want it, really, really want it, they're going to get it. Because that's how I roll. So, because I'm going to show you these again, and we're going to do some comparison. These are from Amazon, from a vendor, which I don't have, the information. I'll go back and look and put the vendor information down. And these are the ones I got from Michael's. The ones from Michael's are a greater quality than the ones I got from Amazon. But they still, will work and do what I need them to do with these. So you can see, the difference. Michael's, Amazon. I'm finding out that Michael has some beautiful beads. So I'm preferring Michael's and Joanne beads over Hobby Lobby beads. Even though Hobby Lobby still got that 50% off that they've been running since last summer. But, their beads are okay too, because I have bought a lot of beads from them. But I do like the diversity in Michael's and Joann's. Now, I went in Joann's about 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, and I'll be doing a, showing you what I got out of there. If I decide to keep them, I'm not sure, but I'll show you what I got out of this, out of Joann's. Now, these probably, I'm going to do earrings. I hope I'm in the framework because I got my phone set at an angle that's crazy. But these going to do earrings, and I'll probably make some charms out of these. And the ones like this that are, like a better quality, I use these on bracelets and on some bracelets. Now, I hope you can see these. Now, these are some of mine that I made. So what I'm going to do is come on and I'll be painting these I'm going to show you how I paint them. I'm getting to the point now where I don't want to buy no more beads. I don't want to buy any more stuff, to be honest with you. Unless it's something like this, a Evi beads or charms. But as far as like the things that I bought before, I think I'm going to kind of steer away from that and figure out how to market and sell the product that I got. That's what I'm working on now. So the videos that I bring may be something similar to this, or I don't know, I'll figure out something. I come on here and do some, DIYs, tell you how I made this and materials that I used. And I may probably come back and do another DIY and show you how I make these beads. These are made from resin, and I have quartz and some selenite powder, in here. That's how these are made, quartz and selenite beads, and I'm just going to paint them up. So most of the time, quartz and selenite are clear beads. But I need some color, and I'll probably do like use that Tim Holtz, not his paints. Oh God, what is that other, forgive me. Anyway, I use some Tim Holtz products on these. And same thing, with these. And try to, bring these to life. And these aren't heavy, so I might do more like a earring or a bracelet kind of deal with these. Now these might be 10 millimeters. Yeah, these may be 10 millimeters. And I know these are 6 millimeters. Same thing, I got the quartz in there, the selenite in here. And we're going to go from there. But like I said, right now I'm getting ready to go sit at the sunny park and get some sun. And hopefully I will, figure out a game plan. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. Oh, quickly. So what I do is I use this memory wire to make these earrings, guys. I like these earrings. Like I said, I got a lot of compliments on these earrings. But can you imagine these with more, color? And I'm still going to use the little black beads and just put, some more color on these. I make maybe about 3 pair. Yeah, I'm not going to make a whole lot. And I'll definitely have to add these on my website. www.sunborncreations.com is my website. And I know I got to go in and put in the URL when I, figure out how to do that. Because I'm new to this and I don't have a whole lot of computer experience. But I'll see if I can, get my niece to show me how to work the URL. So I could put my website in my videos. But this is like I said, a memory wire that I use. But guys, thank you. And I'll probably come back a little bit later on and do another video because I want to show you some of my other things, that I purchased that I normally don't purchase, but I did purchase. But thank you guys, and I will catch you later on. Y'all have a pleasant day. Peace.